Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best portable blender, the compact yet powerful Mueller PB2200. Whether it's a refreshing smoothie, a creamy shake, or even baby food for your little one, this blender is here to make life easier and healthier for you. Let's get started. Product features: powerful motor and sharp blades. Don't let its size fool you. This little blender has the strength to crush ice, frozen fruit, and tough veggies with ease. It's designed to give you silky smooth drinks every time, so you can enjoy a quick burst of health whenever you need it. Portable and dual-use jar. Life moves fast, and this blender keeps up. The blending jar doubles as a travel cup with its own lid, so you can blend, sip, and head out the door. No extra cleanup. Perfect for busy mornings, office days, or simply enjoying fresh blends on the go. One-touch operation. With just one button, you can whip up something delicious in seconds. No learning curve, no fuss, just simple, smooth blending. It's a helping hand for busy parents, students, or anyone wanting healthy choices without the hassle. Safe, durable materials. Because what goes into your body matters, the jar is made from safe, food-grade materials that are non-toxic and durable. Combined with sturdy stainless steel blades, this blender is built to support your health and your daily routine for years to come. Pros: strong motor and sharp blades make blending effortless. Jar doubles as a travel cup, perfect for grab-and-go moments. One-touch button keeps things simple for everyone. Safe, high-quality materials protect your health. Dedicated support team always available when you need them. Cons: not designed for hot liquids, stick with cold blends. Works best with soft or semi-frozen foods, not very hard nuts or seeds. Compact 15-ounce size may feel small for larger meal servings. Final thoughts. The Mueller PB2200 portable blender is more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a little partner that helps you live healthier without slowing you down. From morning smoothies at home to quick shakes at the office or fueling up before the gym, it's always ready when you are. Healthy living should feel easy and enjoyable, and this blender makes sure it does. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more life-friendly tech solutions. See you next time!